Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al once again. Got a challenge locking device. It is called Steven's Heavy Swing, and it is by Mr. Fast Charlie. And if y'all aren't aware, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've had several other locks from Fast Charlie that were named after the band members of Guns N' Roses. And this is another one of them. And it's the give me a second. It is the drummer. The lock is called Steven's Heavy Swing because he's got a heavy swing. He's a drummer. His name is Steven Adler, if I remember right. He's the drummer for Guns N' Roses. So yeah, he made a lock after each one of the members of Guns N' Roses, which I think is pretty freaking neat. And I've done them all except for this one, and I have. We've got one more left after this one, and it is Axel. Yep, Axel. So let's see if we can. I haven't tried this yet, by the way. It's going to be my first attempt at this thing. So let's see if we can't get into it. It is on the. It is a Schlage, so I will use top of the keyway. Oh, perfect timing. There goes the train. And I am going to set a timer back here just for the heck of it. And I'm going to use my Sparrows picks, little nub right here. And probably the one it's like a short hook. I'm going to go ahead and drop this dude in the bottom here, my little shotgun or toothpick, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's get a feel for it real quick. I already got a binder like on 1 or 2. I think it's 2. Oh, 3. And maybe, yeah, I think the first binder's up front. Okay, so let's get into it. Going clockwise. We good on the camera? Yeah, we're good. Alright. Nothing. Yeah, it's like right here. I want to say it's 2. Well, yeah, I don't know if that didn't feel too good. I mean, it's binding, but I'm going to try more tension. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Alright, 4. Got a click. Sorry, I think that was actually 3 because now I'm on 4, I think. There we go. We got a little false set on 4. I think it was 4. 3, 2, 1. I think we got a counter on 1. Let me make sure. Okay, let me switch to this other Sparrows. It's just a short, I guess, low rise maybe. I don't know. Barely got any rise to it. Okay, 1. Yeah, for sure. Okay, yeah, feels like it's set. Still got that little false set going. Back on 3. I think 3 dropped. It's way down. Let me go check the others real quick before I commit. 4, 5. 4 is pretty stuck. Huh. Alright, let me see. 1, 2. It's got to be 3. Let me go ahead and try to manually set it. Huh. Lost that false set though. See if we can't get it back. Yep, got it back on 5, I think it was. 5, 4. Huh, tricky sucker, huh? Okay. 2. Let's see, 1, 2. Whoops. 3, 4, 5. Tell you what, I think it's 4. It's like way to the floor. I'm gonna bring it back a little bit, see if we can't set it. Ooh, oh, that was way back, and I lost that false set. Oh, might have just got it back. All right, I think we got some nastiness up in here. Yeah, buddy. I think I lost one, so I'm going to try it again. Okay. Whoa. Might have went too far. 2. Oh. Definitely overset 3. I let it drop, I think. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's some nastiness back in the back. I'm gonna have to get some kind of T-pin or something of the sort. Oof. There we go. Wow. Okay. That was a tricky sucker right there. Wow. Okay, that was freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Fast Charlie, fantastic work, buddy. Fantastic. Beautiful. Wow. Back out a little bit here so we can stay in frame. That was freaking awesome. That was freaking awesome. Okay, let's see. Bring the camera about right there-ish. This tray's on top and it's white. Those are badass, right? From Bobby Keys. All I did was went over the letters with some black. I think they're badass. Frame good. Let's see. Yeah, we're good. I'll just keep it right here. Okay, so we're very much open. Bada boom, bada bing. We do have a key, so I'll lock it back up. That was freaking awesome. I like that one. To be honest, oh, stop timer. To be honest with you, that wasn't too bad. It was starting to get iffy. Wasn't sure I was going to get that one. But it was the first shot on it. It's not often I get a challenge lock on the first shot either, so set that aside. Set that aside. A little pin that holds it in there. A little spring. Alright, put the parts aside. We don't need that. Get the key. Hopefully we can shim it, because that was nasty. Huh, that went in pretty darn good. I thought we were going to have a problem with that. Okay, bada boom, bada bing. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Alright. 5 chambers, all occupy. Yeah, I could tell. There's these, at least the first 3 are look like T-pin key pins. And they all needed picking. Fair enough. Get them laid out here. Yep. Wow. Holy smokes. Yeah, buddy. Well played, Fast Charlie. Well played, sir. Holy smokes, man. All right, let's get all this laid out. We'll get a nice close-up on it, as usual. Flip those around. That goes like that. I'm going to set this down while I get my specs on so I can see these as good as the camera can. Even with my reading glasses, they're not that great. Okay, on the core we've got, oh yeah, undercut in 1, 2, 3, and 4, and threading in 5. Let me see if I can get the camera to pick that up. You see that? Well played, Fast Charlie. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Get that shimmy shim out of there. Let's take a look upstairs, huh? Back of the camera. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh yeah. Nice little, oh, it's double-sided. It's got a nice little sharp top on that baby right there. Yes sir, yes sir. Little baby spring. Oh, cute. Looks like a spool. Yep, spool in number 2. I'm just going to go ahead and, well, I guess we'll keep going like this. And another kind of conical, well, if that's the proper word, conical shaped spool, where it's cone shaped spool. And yet another spool in, what is that, 4? Another baby spring. And where are we at? Let's go to the other side. Number 5, a double serrated. Very freaking nice. Very nice. Okay, the Bible has no mods. No mods upstairs. See if I can get any of that. Kind of hard to get the angle right. Anyways, no mods to it. Nothing to see up there. Okay, let's do. I can't really read that good. Bada boom, bada bang. Let me go out a little bit and way down. Alright, that was again Steven's Heavy Swing by Fast Charlie. Thank you so much, Fast Charlie, because you made it and sent it to me, so highly appreciate it, buddy. Let me go zoom a little bit, I think. Okay, make sure it's focused. We're focused. Key pins, obviously. Oh, it's even got a serration right here. Man, glad I put these specs on. It's got a serration right here, and then obviously a T-pin key pin. Again, a T-pin key pin in number 2. Also in number 3, and it's even serrated right here. Same in number 4, T-pin key pin, and it's got serrations right here. 5, a triple serrated. Drivers, we got this, that's what I was talking about, like cone-shaped spool with a sharp end on it. A spool in number 2, another cone-shaped spool in 3, spool in 4, also slightly cone-shaped, and then 5 is just double serrated, and then all the springs do look copper or brass, whatever they make them out of. I'm sure they're not steel. Let's see. No, whoop, it just stuck on it. So there we go, man. Freaking awesome lock. Alright. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing out.